Hello, good morning dear students. In the previous class we solved problems of exercise 1 of circle chapter. So in that we learned that for a circle we can draw plenty number of tangents and from an external point we can draw two tangents to the circle, and also we solved one problem to finding the length of the one side by using the tangent which is drawn from the outside the circle. Now in this exercise the first question is, just refer your textbook for the question, that is exercise 2. Okay, in circles chapter, from a point Q the length of the tangent to a circle is 24. Okay, first I will draw one small circle here. Circle, and here it is given that from a point Q the length of the tangent to a circle is 24. I will consider one point Q. I will consider this center as O, and another point, that is Q. The length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. So this is tangent. I will draw one tangent here, and this is the perpendicular line. Okay. The length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter. That means your tangent is this one. So that is equals to how much? 24 centimeter. I consider this point as Q, this point as O. And the distance between Q from the center is 25 centimeter. From the center, this is 25 centimeter. I will call this point as P, OPQ. Find the radius of the circle. The options are given as first option is option A is 7 centimeter, option B is 12 centimeter, option C is 15 centimeter, and option D is 24.5 centimeter. Now again here we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. This is perpendicular because we know that the tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Okay, so now I will solve this problem. Just listen carefully. In triangle OPQ, in triangle OPQ, so here this is 90 degree, that means opposite side is hypotenuse side. So therefore OQ square that is equals to OP square plus PQ square. Okay, OQ square that is equals to OP square plus PQ square. So therefore it becomes OQ means 25 square and OP value is unknown, we have to find out, that is radius, plus PQ means it is 24 and PQ square means 24 square. Now we have to find out what is the value of 25 square. 25 square means 25 into 25. Just comment me the answer. What is the value of 25 square? First, value of 25 square. Into 25. First, S. Uday Kumar, Nagraj, Pavan give the answer as 625. Any other answers? Yes, everyone's answer is right, that is 625. That is equals to OP, again unknown, we will write OP square as it is, plus 24 square. What is the value of 24 square? First, what is the value of 24 square? 24 square means 24 into 24. $596. S. Nagaraj. $596. Now we'll rearrange this. It becomes OP square is equals to 625 minus 596. What is the difference between 625 and 596? Comment me fast. OP square is equals to. Comment me the answer fast. Sorry, it is 576. It is 576. OP square 625 minus 576, that is equals to 49. So therefore OP is equals to square root of 49. And what is the value of square root of 49? Comment me fast. What is the value of square root of 49? Fast. Square root of 49 value is 7 centimeter. So therefore OP value is 7 centimeter. Therefore radius equals to 7 centimeter. Okay, here we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, before going to the second problem, I will solve sixth problem. That is also of same kind. We have to find out the value by using Pythagoras theorem. Second problem. The length of the tangent from a point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. From the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Okay, here the value of tangent and the distance of the point from the center is given. How many of you understood the first problem? I'll consider the center point as O. Then I'll take one point which is outside the circle, and we have to call that point as A because the name is given. And from point A I will draw one tangent to the circle, and I will draw one perpendicular line. I will name this point as B. Correct? So the center is O and external point is B, and the point on the circle, that is point of contact, that means the point where the radius and the tangent joins or meets, that is point B, point of contact. So now we'll analyze this question. In the question, the length of the tangent from a point A at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. So at a distance 5 centimeter from the center. This distance is how much? 5 centimeter. So the tangent value is from the center of the circle is 4 centimeter. Therefore here tangent is how much? So AB is the tangent, it is 4 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. Now we have to find out the radius, that is OB we have to find out. Okay, OB we have to find out. So first we'll use the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, the first step we have to find out the 90 degree. So 90 degrees, the radius of the circle is perpendicular to the tangent, or tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Therefore this angle is equals to 90 degree. When this angle is equals to 90 degree, that means the opposite side Opposite side is OA here. Opposite side is hypotenuse side. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse side square is equals to, or square of the hypotenuse side is equals to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides of the triangle. Therefore, it becomes OA square, that is equals to OB square plus AB square. OA is the hypotenuse. OA square is equals to OB square plus AB square. Now OA value is 5, it becomes 5 square. OB value is unknown, we have to write as it is, plus AB value is 4 centimeter, it becomes 4 square. So 5 square value is how much? Come at me fast. What is the value of 5 square and 4 square? So according to Pythagoras theorem, now we got 5 square is equals to OB square plus 4 square. Okay, what is the value of 5 square and 4 square? Okay, 5 square is 25, that is equals to OB square plus 4 square is how much? 4 square is 16. Now after rearranging it becomes OB square is equals to 25 minus 16. OB square is equals to how much? Comment will answer fast. OB square is equals to dash 25 minus 16. Yes, it is 9. So therefore OB value becomes square root of 9, that is equals to dash. Square root of 9 equals to dash. Square root of 9 means it is OB value, and OB means it is radius of the circle, where the point A is outside the circle from the center. Its distance is 5 centimeter and tangent is drawn at point B, and the length of the tangent is 4 centimeter, and therefore OB value, that is square root of 9, is equals to 3 centimeter. Therefore radius of the circle is 3 centimeter. But then I will go to the next problem, that is 7th one in your textbook. Just read the question carefully. 7th question. Just read the question carefully. Two concentric circles are of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So I will repeat the question once again. Two concentric circles are of radius 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. First I will draw two concentric circles roughly. Okay, without taking the length, I will draw two circles. The next circle, second circle, I will draw here itself, because we have to draw concentric circles. Okay, the center, I will call this point as O. These are the two circles. So now in the question it is given that we have to draw one chord of a larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So I will consider this line. See here, I will consider these 2 points as AB. Here point AB or line AB is chord of the larger circle. Okay, chord of the larger circle, and it touches the smaller circle. So we are calling this as larger circle because its radius in the question is given that 5 centimeter, and the smaller circle having radius as 3 centimeter. Therefore, it is smaller circle and this one is bigger circle. And now we drawn one chord AB for the circle and it touches the smaller circle. Okay. So now we have to find out the length of the chord. For that, what we have to do is we have to join point O and A. We have to join point O and A. And we know that point OA is, or line OA is, radius of the circle. And it is given that radius of the larger circle is equals to 5 centimeter. And now we will have to use the value of radius of the smaller circle. I will draw one perpendicular line here. And perpendicular line, it means it is the radius of the circle, because it touches the center and any one point on the circle. So therefore its distance is how much? 3 centimeter. Now I have to find out value of AB. I will call this point as C. How to calculate now value of AB? Any idea? So for that we have to use the same principle, that is tangent is. So here this chord means it is tangent to the circle. Okay, here the chord of the bigger circle is tangent to the smaller circle. So that's why point C is the perpendicular, OC is the perpendicular to AB, so therefore this angle is equals to 90 degree. So when this angle is equals to 90 degree, OA becomes the hypotenuse side. OA becomes the hypotenuse side. So therefore we have to again use Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem, in triangle OAC, OA square, that is hypotenuse side square, that is equals to OC square plus AC square. OA square, that is equals to OC square plus AC square. OA value is how much? 5 square. OC value is 3 square. So you have to solve along with me, no need to chart anything. Plus AC square. Okay. Then next one, so therefore it becomes OA is 5 and 5 square is 25 and 3 square is 9 plus AC square. After rearranging, what is the value of AC square? Comment me fast. What is the value of AB? Somesh. AC square, that is equals to 25 minus 9. AC square, that is equals to how much? That is equals to 16. So therefore AC value is how much? Square root of 16 value is how much? Fast. Square root of 16 value is how much? It is equals to 4 centimeter. So therefore AC value is how much? 4 centimeter. Now that is not the required point. The required point is we have to find the length of AB, that is length of the chord. Therefore AB equals to 2 times of AC. AB equals to the total length of the chord, that is equals to 2 times of AC. So therefore it becomes AB equals to 2 into AC value so much, just now I found that as 4 centimeter 2 4s are 8 centimeter. Therefore length of the chord is equals to 8 centimeter. Now we will solve the next problem. So in our exercise, that is second problem. How many of you understood up to now? Fast. How many of you understood these three problems? Now second question, just read the question carefully. In figure 4.11, I will draw that figure. I will take this point as O. Then in the figure, I will draw two tangents. This is the diagram, and this point is T, this point is P, and this point is Q. These are the points. O is the center, and the central angle is how much? It is equals to 110 degree. So now in the question it is given that in the figure, if TP and TQ are the two tangents, if TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center is at O, so that angle POQ, that means this angle is equals to how much? It is equals to 110 degree, that is given. Then find out angle PTQ. We have to find out this angle. So any idea about that angle? So in construction chapter, while constructing the tangents, so I explained this. Because here this is point T, P, Q, O. When we join point T, P, Q, O or T, P, O, Q, so it forms an quadrilateral, and we know that the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral, that is equals to 360 degree. Total angle is how much? 360 degree. Okay, and that the radius is perpendicular to tangent. So that means this angle is equals to 90 degree, and this angle is also equals to 90 degree. So therefore 360 degree minus 180 degree, that gives again 180 degree. So that means the remaining two angles sum is equals to how much? 180 degree. Okay, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and we know that angle T plus angle P plus angle O plus angle Q is equals to 360 degree. That is according to quadrilateral theorem. So now these two angles is equals to 180 degree, because this one is 90, this one is 90. Therefore sum of these two angles, that is angle O plus angle T, is equals to 180 degree. Therefore I will write, therefore angle POQ plus angle PTQ, that is equals to 180. Angle POQ, that means this angle, plus angle PTQ, that means this angle, that is equals to 180 degree. And angle POQ, we know that it is given that it is 110 degree plus angle PTQ, that is equals to 180 degree. So therefore angle PTQ, that is equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Therefore angle PTQ is equals to how much? It is equals to 70 degree. Therefore this angle is how much? 70 degree. Okay. If this is 100 degree, that means this is 180 degree. If this is 50 degree, that means, or if this is 130 degree, that means this is 50 degree. Okay, it will not reverse because here we can't get an obtuse angle. How many of you understood this problem? Just comment your name and click on the like button. Then I will solve the next one. Read the next question carefully. In tangents PA and B from a point P to a circle with center O, center is O, are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equals to dash. So I will draw one small figure here. Center is O. So this is the figure, and here it is given that the tangent PA and PQ from a point P, that means outside point is P, and PA and PB are the two tangents to the circle at center O, are inclined each other at an angle of inclined, that means this angle. Okay, this is not the inclined angle because these are the two tangents and they are inclined, because here radius are creating angle, here the tangents are creating angle, so therefore they are inclined at an angle of 80 degree. It is given that this is equals to 80 degree. Then we have to find out angle POA. POA, that means we have to draw one imaginary line here. Now we have to find out angle POA, that means we have to find out this angle. Okay, so for that we'll use the previous topic, that is these triangles are equals to 90 degree because the tangents are perpendicular to radius. PA is one tangent and that is perpendicular to OA, and similarly PB is the tangent and that is perpendicular to OB. Therefore these triangles are equals to 90 degree, and we know that the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degree. Therefore angle P plus angle B plus angle O plus angle A is equals to 360 degree, but after subtracting angle A and angle B, the remaining is angle P plus angle O is equals to 180 degree. So therefore angle O plus angle P, that is equals to 180 degree. Angle O is unknown, plus angle P is how much? 80 degree, that is equals to 180 degree. So therefore angle O is equals to 180 degree minus 80 degree. Therefore it becomes angle O is equals to 100 degree. So now we got the value of angle O. This is not the angle O. The total angle is angle O. But we need to find only angle POA. Okay. So therefore, angle POA that is equals to half of angle O. Half of angle O, because here line OP acts as a bisector here. Line OP acts as a angle bisector. So therefore angle POA that is equals to half, and angle O is how much? 100 degree. Therefore this is equals to 50 degree. Angle POA that is equals to 50 degree. How many of you understood this? Very simple one. Now next problem. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter of a circle are parallel. What is given? What we have to prove? Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter of a circle are parallel. First I will draw one small circle. I will take this as center, that is O. And what is given? The prove that the tangent drawn at the ends of the diameter. First I will draw the diameter. So this is the diameter. I will call the names as endpoints as AB, and tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter. So here we have to draw the tangents. These are the two tangents. So I will call the names as P, Q, R, S. Okay. PQ is the tangent drawn at point A to the circle with center as O, and similarly RS is the tangent drawn at point B to the circle of center O. So therefore, now what we have to prove is, so we have to prove tangent PQ and RS are parallel to each other. So for that, given O is the center of the circle. And next AB is the diameter. And PQ and RS are the tangents at point A and B respectively. Next, we know that tangents are perpendicular. To the radius. Tangents are perpendicular to the radius. Okay. Therefore, PQ is perpendicular to OA, and RS is perpendicular to OB. So therefore now we have to use small trick here, and we know that if two lines are parallel to each other, then their alternate angles are equal, or in vice versa, if two alternate angles are equal to each other, then that two lines are parallel to each other. So for that we have to use parallel and transversal method. I will consider these are the two parallel lines and they are cut by a transversal. Then the alternate angles are equals to each other. So this angle equals to this angle. Similarly, this angle equals to this angle. Okay. In other words, if alternate angles are equals to each other, then that two lines are parallel to each other. If so, first thing is if two lines are parallel to each other and they are cut by a transversal, then then the alternate angles are equals to each other. In another words, or in vice versa method, if the alternate angles are equals to each other, then that two lines are parallel to each other. So therefore we have to go for that method. So I will consider this angle, that is angle PAO, that is equals to, then here I will consider this angle, that is angle OPS, and both are equals to 90 degree. Angle PAO, that is equals to 90 degree, and similarly OBS, that is equals to 90 degree, because here we give the reason PQ is perpendicular to OA, similarly RS is perpendicular to OB. Okay, so therefore these two angles are equals to each other. Therefore alternate therefore alternate angles are equal. Therefore the tangents PQ and RS are parallel to each other, are parallel to each other, parallel to each other. Okay, how many of you understood this? Fast. Very simple problem. Just keep all the points in mind while solving the problems, because all the points you required to solve the problems. Okay. So I'll continue in the next class. Thank you everyone.